This class is brought to you by the LA Care and Blue Shield Promise Community Resource Centers. The centers are a place to help you be active, healthy, and informed. We hope you enjoy this virtual class.
Hi, my name is Natalia. Thank you for joining me for this week's cooking class. Today, it's all about snacks. Let me show you how to prepare yogurt strawberry pops. Thank you so much for joining us. We look forward to seeing you virtually again next week and at one of our resource centers as soon as we can. Until then, stay active, healthy, and informed.